Hey guys, just wanted to announce the winner to our giveaway, 307 Ice Fishing. Congratulations, man. We'll be shipping that out to you as soon as possible. Just make sure to give us a message. Be sure to comment in the section below to see what tech tips you want to see in our next video. We always appreciate input from you guys, and we always want to know what you want to see. I'd also like to thank you guys for the input on the video and the video style, the new video style. We appreciate your continued support about our videos. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys, appreciate it.
Oh, it's hands down one of the nicest.
Wait. What year is the tail?
79, I think.
This is insane, dude. I would. Is the hood carbon fiber? Of course it is. Jesus Christ.
No, I get this work.
I gotta tell you.
Huh?
I get a text from Stainkiller.
Yeah.
All he says to me is, I did a thing. What'd you do?
Oh, I figured that would happen.
White track off. Just want to go drive it.
Everything's machine. The f***ing door cells are machined out of billet.
I want to go drive it so bad, man.
This is like the shit that makes me want to start pulling shit off of the Jeep and like replacing it.
This is one of those cars where I'm like afraid to drive it on the street. The previous one to that was the
Blue Camaro?
no, it was the like the first gen Corvette
Oh.
that the guy then sold at auction for $155,000 after we were done with it.
Jesus.
And I was like, no, I don't even want to drive this on the f***ing road. The guy's like, yeah, it's going to auction next week. I'm like, no.
You drove mine, and I have made a lot of bad financial decisions in my C5. Dude, this body style is the next body style to go boom.
It's already doing it.
Because we're all now getting to the age, or our dads, that this was the
Burt Reynolds.
They were slow,
Yeah.
but they were the
Burt Reynolds, man. That was the other thing.
I need a Smokey in the band.
God.
They just look so cool.
They really do, man. You know, and I
Rocky,
yeah.
that movie.
I'm even like kind of getting fond of like the same generation Camaro.
Yeah.
You see like the one with like the Z28 vinyl on the side that's real clean. I'm like,
He's gonna drive it around first. What's that? Pull what? Oh yeah.
belt slip there.
Yeah.
Without a belt slip. Oh yeah.
That's the problem we've been having on this thing is
fully there and 180 off. See? So you have the whole top half where it's not utilizing it. If you could get an idler right here to pinch this over more, so like to get it to wrap the crank that much more, that would help a lot. And if you could get this one moved over this way more, because unfortunately with it being all one shared drive, like if this was on a Z06 or that or whatever, how it comes off the crank pulley is it comes down and it comes all the way back around. So you only have this much of the crank pulley. It
Oh
doesn't
no,
touch.
really?
Yeah, it's like no crank wrap. No.
That's guaranteed where it's going.
Yeah, because that has a water wrap.
Yes, it does.
Is there anything that you guys could do here for that?
No, you're gonna have to make a bracket that hangs off of one of these bolts that mounts an idler to
Like pushes this.
in. You were trying to get this
Uh-huh.
to touch as much of this as possible.
Yeah, so the name of the game is belt wrap on this thing.
Your two pulleys you need to worry about. This one and that one.
So you're thinking that the crank is the main one where it's
Yes.
slipping?
Oh, guaranteed. That doesn't
For
even
sure.
have a full 180 degrees
It's
of
not
wrap on
slipping
it.
up here. It's slipping down there.
Okay. That's all to tell Josh that about the.
Yeah. We need to get something to get that idler and one over there to get as much as possible.
That bottom, that one right there.
That one, if you can get it to come over a
This
little bit
way?
more,
And then
one to get it over more on there.
the guy put something in here. Or not? What could a guy?
You've got a bolt right there you can hang an idler off of,
Uh-huh.
like a bracket that comes down, or you can use this bolt. You know, you've got some good options.
Okay.
This thing's going to run real hard up to about 4,000 RPM, 4,500, and then it's going to just kind of
Fall
over.
Fall off.
I don't know why I'm like leaned over. I'll just fix this mirror.
Hi Joe, how's it going?
Just in time.
What's that? Bolt-ons?
I did bolt-ons on that one a while ago, and now I did an MSD and flex.
Cool. So it should make more powers.
Yeah.
What you doing, Nick?
Pretty good. This is the one thing these cars love is ethanol.
Oh, is that a V on it?
We're going to pour it in next. Yep.
Oh wow, 409, 421, and then 449 with E, right?
Sure right.
Solid.
That's good. That's good butthole.
That is some good butthole.
Yeah.
That's some good button.
409.
Here's your printout. I printed out the previous, the new
That's the
91, and then the new 85.
How you brought it in? Like. Wait till you go rip on it, feel it up top.
Oh, yeah, it's just going to keep pulling. Yeah, that's 360. No, wait a second. I'm looking at the wrong one.
385, 47.
That's a hell of a game.
Looks like 60 something wheel. 60 wheel. Top, you don't feel it, man. Sorry, your ass dyno's broke.
Now, my ass dyno was already happy. I was just trying to do something else.
You're gonna love it. So you'll feel it good down low on E. When you're on 91, you're not gonna feel much difference because the MSD doesn't really pick up much till up top, you know. But on E, it's boom, octane.
So the max, so it's 465.
That's P.
Okay,
So this is. I'll show you the number. Green's how you dropped it off.
okay.
Red's on 91. Blue's on the 85.
I got you.
How's it going, man? What you doing on this one?
A whole bunch of suspension.
Suspension.
And Radius rods, strut tops.
Yeah, I think we're replacing coils and
What's that?
all kinds of stuff.
Alright, sure. Is he doing coilovers or no?
No, I just stock coils.
Okay.
And then idler and tensioner and a new crank pulley.
Nice. Just little maintenance stuff.
Yeah, for the most part.
Cool. Very clean looking car.
Yeah, it's real clean.
You starting with, oh damn, there's a bunch of stuff in here.
Yeah, pretty much all the suspension.
The whole Petters kit. Totally changed the feel of this car for sure.
Yeah, it kind of.
These suspension sucks on these.
Yeah, I drove it around too, and it just feels like everything's all worn out.
Yeah, yeah. Nick, have you seen this GTO over here?
No.
All the stuff that's in the trunk?
What's in the trunk?
Like the entire Petters kit you can buy for a GTO.
Really?
Yeah.
It's all the bushings.
Shocks, springs, bushings. I mean, you like had to do this like right when you bought a GTO.
Yeah. Control arm. I'll be damned.
Takes you back, huh?
That does.
Did you do all the Petters? Or did you do something else?
I originally had Petter stuff, and then I wanted more adjustability, so I went coilover.
Ah, okay.
But no, I had a ton of Petter stuff on mine.
Interesting. 330, dude.
Started on it like 11:30.
Really?
Yeah.
At least it's not a f***ing F-body or something.
Might as well kill myself.
You need to do springs on an F-body? Okay, this is, I quit.
Keon? Yeah.
It's definitely a boost reference. Also,
I mean, it drops when you fire it up. Oh yeah, it's going
yeah, it's definitely okay. So we've got a dead pump.
Yep. So he's at a pump.
It's not going lean, is it?
It's because I just compensated for no pressure.
Wow, it's not valve floating anymore.
We'll figure.
Yay!
Well, I can at least try and get it to a point of where it'll be safe. Because I mean, he's got a dead pump.
Seems to have enough fuel.
Oh yeah, I mean it's got enough fuel right now, but it's just the VE table's not going to be active, which bugs me.
I mean, at least you're touching the VE.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it'll be good for if another tuner reads out your file. They'll be like, look at this f***ing hacked VE.
Probably.
What's that at 90 miles an hour? That
Right here?
yeah.
Turbo probably cooled off. These are really sensitive to heat. So you'll notice I was trying to roll it up through first, hold it there.
To get it hot.
To get it hot, go into second, roll it up, get it hot. Makes a hell of a difference on a rear mount turbo.
To get the light up.
Yeah, it's
Weird.
crazy. I mean, yeah, way back in the day when STS first came out, and we started trying to do some of the rear mount stuff, it was amazing the difference of just getting the turbo hot, holding it at like 4,000 RPM in first, just rolling it, getting some heat into it, then make a pull in fourth, and it would light off a whole lot faster. I've got the rev limiter at 68. He's going to want to shift at 65, 66. But we just need more boost.
Okay.
I don't think we need to make another pull unless we want to.
I love arch muffler.
That sounds great. Nah,
rip on it. I'm just gonna.
yeah, just to get an idea.
Ready?
Yep. Now give me a ride back.
Okay.
I feel like the exhaust one would have been good. I feel like, I don't know, people have a exhaust rattle and they like basically want to trade the car in because of it, you know?
How about this? This is a great idea. How about we just tech tip whatever someone asks?
It's a good idea.
Like, why don't we get some questions going on the comments, and then we'll just tech tip that.
Okay. Call to action. That's a good one.
I mean, obviously, if we get like 10 requests for a tech tip, maybe we won't fit all that in one episode, but
I like that idea.
We can usually do a couple tech tips in each episode.
I like that idea. So I'll go to like each member of the shop, or like at the end of the episode, and I'll put, hey, if you guys have any questions, like tech tip, if you what sort of tips do you want?
What sort of tips do you guys want?
And if it's like,
ask in the comments on the videos or wherever, and you scroll the comments, don't you?
Yeah,
and then you can.
Everybody does. It's fucking YouTube. That's like one of the best parts of YouTube is the comments. Could people fight with each other?
Because there's a lot of questions out there. Like, I don't think of them as questions anymore because I've just done it a million times.
Yeah.
But I know I had a million questions when
pure
10 years ago.
Yeah.
I was like, how the f do you measure a push rod? Like, I get that one a lot, or like even over the phone. Or how does a relay work?
Yeah.
Do you have to fuse a relay? Those kind of questions.
Right.
Like, you'd be like, yeah, this is how you do it. This is why.
That's